Have you ever opened Instagram, sat down to create content, and after 45 minutes you still don't know what to post? You type ideas, delete them, save random reels, open ChatGPT, open notes, close everything, and then in the end you post nothing. Correct? Trust me, if this keeps happening to you, the problem is not creativity. The problem is that nobody teaches creators a system. And today I'm not going to give you 20 random content ideas. I'm going to give you a framework that can generate content for entire year. When I started creating content, I thought the successful creators were naturally creative. I had folders named viral, later, important, hooks, hacks, must try, and honestly, the more content I saved, the more confused I became. And then I realized something that completely changed my approach. Top creators don't create content from inspiration, they create content from observation, where they tell what they had observed in their way. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you the complete 5-part framework I use to create content for gyms, salons, skincare brands, e commerce brands, coaches, and even personal brands. Plus, I'll show you how to get 30 content ideas in less than 10 minutes using ChatGPT the right way. So come on. So let's start with the biggest mistake almost every business owner makes. They ask, what should I post? Wrong question. A gym owner asks, what workout should I post? A salon owner asks, what hairstyle should I post? A digital marketer asks, what marketing tips should I post? But your audience is not searching for your content. They are searching for their problem. Think about it. A woman with PCOS will not open Instagram and start searching best gym near me or best gym reel. She's searching how to lose weight with PCOS. Why am I not losing belly fat? Why do I feel tired all the time? The moment you understand this, content creation becomes easier because now you're not creating for algorithm. You're creating for a human being who's sitting behind that screen. Now let me show you the framework that changed the way I create content forever. I call it the 5C framework. Here's the same 5 part और 5C framework. और honestly इस framework ने मेरा content create करने का पूरा process ही change कर दिया. Most people open ChatGPT and type give me 30 content ideas on this topic. And then they complain कि ChatGPT तो बहुत boring content देता है. No, you are asking the boring questions. ChatGPT is only as smart as your prompt. Imagine you hire world's best employee and उससे आप सिर्फ इतना बोलो कि जाओ do something. So he'll be confused. Exactly यही ChatGPT के साथ भी हो रहा है. If your prompt is vague, your output will also be vague. So let me show you how exactly I use ChatGPT to create and to plan my and my clients' content. I never ask it for content ideas first. मैं पहले उससे audience समझ लेती हूँ. So we'll write the prompt. Act as a social media strategist with 10 years of experience. You specialize in Instagram content. I own a gym in Nagpur. My audience is working professionals between 25 to 45 years old. Their biggest struggles are weight loss, belly fat, PCOS, lack of motivation, busy schedule. Don't give me content ideas yet. First, identify my audience's biggest fears, desires, frustrations, dreams, objections, and questions. Present everything in a table. Notice something? मैंने अभी तक एक भी content नहीं मांगा. Because content doesn't start with ideas. Content starts with understanding people. The better you understand your audience, the easier content creation becomes. Now, the magic prompt. Now comes my favorite part. So let's see. Use everything above. Create content using this framework. Problems, mistakes, dreams, questions, objections. Give me 20 ideas under each category. Don't repeat ideas. Give every topic highly clickable. And here's the response. And just like that, within a few minutes, I have almost 100 content ideas. Let's look at few. So the problems are why you are not losing belly fat, mistakes, stop doing cardio every day, dreams, How to lose weight without starving. Questions. How many days should I work out? Objections. I don't have time for the gym. See the difference? ये random topics नहीं है. Exactly वो questions है जो लोग ऑलरेडी गूगल और इंस्टाग्राम पे सर्च करते हैं. रिमेंबर मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि मैं सिर्फ तुम्हें कंटेंट आइडियाज नहीं दूंगी, मैं तुम्हें एक कंप्लीट सिस्टम बना के दूंगी जिससे तुम पूरे साल का कंटेंट प्लान कर सकते हो. सो अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ 5 कैटेगरीज हैं जिससे हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 100 कंटेंट आइडियाज आ चुके हैं. बट वेट, स्टोरी यहीं खत्म नहीं होती. अब मान लो मुझे इनमें से सिर्फ एक टॉपिक पसंद आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाई यू आर नॉट लूजिंग बेली फैट. अब मैं चैट जीपीटी से बोलूंगी कि take this one idea and generate me 15 different content pieces. So take this topic, why you are not losing belly fat, and now turn it into 5 reel ideas, 3 carousel ideas, 2 story series, 2 myth versus fact post, 1 client story, 1 YouTube short script, and 1 long form YouTube video idea. Make every angle different. ChatGPT starts generating and you can already see the output. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. एक ही टॉपिक से मेरे पास 15 डिफरेंट कंटेंट पीसेस आ गए. और अगर मेरे पास पहले ही अराउंड 100 टॉपिक्स थे तो टेक्निकली 100 टॉपिक्स इंटू 15 कंटेंट फॉर्मेट्स मीन्स आई कैन क्रिएट 1500 प्लस कंटेंट फ्रॉम द सेम सिस्टम. अब ऑब्वियसली तुम्हें सारे यूज नहीं करने, तुम चूज करोगे जो तुम्हारे ब्रांड के लिए रेलेवेंट होगा. बट द पॉइंट इज कि अब तुम कभी भी ब्लैंक स्क्रीन देख के ये नहीं सोचोगे कि अब पोस्ट क्या करूं. बट एक मिस्टेक और है जो ऑलमोस्ट हर क्रिएटर करता है. कंटेंट मिल तो जाता है, शूट भी कर लेते हैं और वो पोस्ट भी कर देते हैं, बट अब उसको वायरल कैसे करना. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, आई विल बी पोस्टिंग दैट वीडियो सून. टिल देन सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल टू नो मोर अबाउट एवरीथिंग आई नो फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.